You can replace bulb-type lamps by yourself. Engage the parking brake and turn off the engine. Turn off the rear combination lamp and open the trunk. Remove the cover inside the trunk. Disconnect the connector and nuts fixed inside. Pull the lamp assembly away from the body of the vehicle. Be careful to avoid damage or injury during removal. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the socket, then inspect it. Replace it with a new bulb. Install the new bulb in the reverse order of removal. You can also replace the high-mounted stop lamp.
Kia, movement that inspires.